Actress Alia Bhatt on Tuesday shared a cute picture with her pet Edward. Alia took to Instagram to share the picture. She captioned the post, "My calm in every storm." Recently, Alia shared a selfie with her new pet and sister Shaheen Bhatt. This girl duo just became a girl trio. Meet our new baby Juniper. Her skills include biting, selfie taking, and being generally adorable, captioned the actress. In the selfie, Juniper can be seen curiously looking at the camera as if striking a pose. On the work front, Alia Bhatt will be next seen in her father Mahesh Bhatt's directorial Sadak 2, which also stars Pooja Bhatt, Sanjay Dutt and Aditya Roy Kapoor in the lead. The film has been produced by Mahesh Bhatt's brother Mukesh Bhatt and is set for an OTT release. Bollywood actress Kriti Sanon shared a cryptic post for late actor Sushant Singh Rajput on Tuesday. Sushant passed away on June 14, a month ago. Kriti took to Instagram to share the post, and in between a guilty laughter that pretended to move on, her eyes shed tears of reality and broke all her delusions. Kriti featured alongside Sushant in the 2017 film Rabta, directed by Dinesh Vijan. The two actors were rumored to be dating ahead of the film's release. Shortly after Sushant's death last month, Kriti had shared an emotional post. "A part of my heart has gone with you, and a part will always keep you alive. Never stopped praying for your happiness and never will," the actress had written in a post dedicated to Sushant. Actor Sonu Sood is now all set to come up with a book recounting his experience of helping migrant workers reach their hometowns during the COVID lockdown. "The past 3.5 months have been a kind of life-changing experience for me, living with the migrants for 16 to 18 hours a day and sharing their pain. When I go to see them off as they begin their journey back home, my heart is filled with joy and relief. Seeing the smiles on their faces, the tears of happiness in their eyes, has been the most special experience of my life, and I pledged that I'll keep on working to send them back to their homes until the last migrant reaches his village, to his loved ones," Sonu declared. "I believe I came to this city for this. It was my purpose. I want to thank God for making me a catalyst in helping the migrants. While my heart beats in Mumbai, after this moment, I feel a part of me lives in the villages of UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Assam, Uttarakhand and various other states, where I have now found new friends and made deep connections. I have decided to put these experiences, stories that are embedded in my soul forever, in a book," he said about the book that is to be published by Penguin Random House India. Bollywood actress Sara Ali Khan driver has tested positive for COVID-19. However, the actress, her family and other staff members have tested negative. On Monday night, Sara took to her verified Instagram account to share the news about her driver, who has been shifted to a quarantine center by the BMC. The actress wrote, "I would like to inform you that our driver has tested positive for COVID-19. The BMC was promptly alerted about it and he has been moved to a quarantine center. My family, the other staff at home and I have been all tested negative and will take the necessary precaution. A sincere thank you to the BMC from me and my family for all their help and guidance. Stay safe everyone." On the work front, Sara will next be seen in the comedy Coolie No. 1. Actor Sonam Kapoor Ahuja is currently in London. Sharing a view of London from the plane, Sonam wrote, "London, I am back, so beautiful." Earlier, Sonam had spent 3 months of lockdown in Delhi at her in-laws' residence. She flew to Mumbai to be with her parents and siblings ahead of her birthday on June 9. On the work front, Sonam was last seen in The Zoya Factor, which also featured Malayalam star Dulquer Salmaan. The film, which is an adaptation of a book of the same name written by Anuja Chauhan, fared below expectations. With their next film Yara scheduled for a July 30 release to mark World Friendship Day, actors Vidyut Jamwal, Amit Saad, Shruti Hassan, Vijay Verma, Kenny Basu Matre and Sanjay Mishra are excited. Sharing the trailer on Instagram, Vidyut wrote, "A tale of friendship, love and the quest to outrun the past. Watch the trailer of Yara to get a glimpse of how these four best friends attempt to overcome the ultimate test. Releasing this Friendship Day 30th July. The story of the Tigmanshu Dhulia film is set in North India, shows the rise and fall of a group of four friends who wrestle operations across the Indo-Nepal border. Yara will release on ZEE5. It is Flashback Monday for actress Kajol, and she went down memory lane to recall the time when she sported wavy and voluminous hair. Taking to her Instagram account, Kajol posted a picture in which she is seen flaunting wavy and curly locks. "What, I swear this hairstyle was in trend once upon a time," she captioned the image, which seems to be from the 1990s. She added, "In style, unnatural perm, me when I." Reacting to the throwback image, fans showered Kajol with a lot of funny comments. A user commented, "After a hair wash and no spa currently, this is how I look." Another one wrote, "You look so good in this hairstyle." On the work front, Kajol will be seen making her digital debut with the film Tribhanga, which is directed by Renuka Shahane. It is drama set in Mumbai, weaving a complex tale that goes back and forth through three generations of the same family from the late 1980s to modern day. Actors Mithila Palkar, Tanvi Azmi and Kunal Rai Kapoor are also a part of the project. Actress Moni Roy, who has stranded in UAE during the coronavirus lockdown, has finally been able to fly. On Monday, Moni took to her Instagram account and shared a boomerang video in which we can see her sitting in a flight, wearing a face shield, mask and gloves. She traveled to London for work. Moni flew to UAE on a 4-day working trip in March for a magazine photo shoot and stayed with an old friend there. On the work front, Moni will be seen in Ayan Mukherjee's Brahmastra, which stars Amitabh Bachchan, Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt. Tuesday marks a month that Sushant Singh Rajput passed away. On this day, Sanjana Sanghi, lead actress of Sushant's last film, Dil Bechara, penned an emotional note in the late actor's memory. "Whoever said time helps heal all wounds was lying. Some feel like they are being ripped open again and again and bleeding. Of moments that now will forever remain memories of laughs together that were but will never again be. Questions that will remain unanswered of disbelief that only keeps growing. But these wounds also contain a film, a gift that everyone is yet to see. Wounds that contain dreams, plans and desires for our country's children. Their education and their future that will be fulfilled. Wounds that contain a passion for endless creative zest. For every artist there is wounds that contain the hope for a world that promises to uphold honesty, integrity, kindness and embraces individuality, rid of all toxicity. I vow that I will do everything to make sure each of these dreams are fulfilled like you always wanted to, except you had promised we would do it all together," shared Sanjana on her verified Instagram story. Directed by Mukesh Chabra, Dil Bechara is the official remake of 2014 Hollywood romantic drama The Fault in Our Stars, based on John Green's popular novel of the same name. Dil Bechara will be the last release of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput, who passed away in Mumbai on June 14. The film is slated to release on an OTT platform on July 24.